How to remove water stains from carpet. Have you ever spilled water on your carpet, only to notice an ugly stain appear after it dries? It seems strange. How can something as simple as water leave a mark? But the truth is, when water seeps into carpet fibers, it carries dirt and minerals along with it. As the water evaporates, those particles remain, leaving behind a dull or discolored spot. Many people think the stain is permanent, but it's not. With the right method, you can remove those water stains completely and restore your carpet's clean look. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to get rid of water stains from carpet quickly and effectively, using simple techniques you can do at home. Let's begin. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to using soap and water to remove the stain, using vinegar and water to remove the stain, and cleaning the carpet with chemicals. Now let's get started. Things you'll need. 1. Clean, white cloths. 2. Paper towels. 3. Soft brush. 4. Distilled white vinegar. 5. Water. Method 1. Using soap and water to remove the stain. Number 1. Blot up the moisture. Before you move on to more detailed cleaning procedures, try to remove as much of the water as you can. Take a clean white cloth and press it lightly against the water stain. This won't work if it's not a fresh spill, though. Blot up as much of the water as you can. You could even try walking on the cloth to get more of the water to move from the carpet to the cloth. You could also use paper towels to blot up the water on the carpet. Try putting a heavy object on the paper towels and leaving it for an hour or so to blot up much of the water. Number 2. Remove sediment or dirt. The first thing you should do is remove any sediment or dirt that has embedded itself in your carpet's fibers in the area of the water stain. To remove sediment and dirt, create a mixture of soap and water. You could also use a non-bleach detergent for this process. Any detergent with bleach in it risks creating damage to the carpet color. Mix 1 teaspoon, 4.9 milliliters, of dishwashing soap with water in a bowl or other container, and then put a clean cloth into the mixture. Number 3. Dab the area with the water stain. Take the cloth covered with soap and water and gently rub it on the stain. Don't rub at it too hard or the carpet's fibers could start to look worn. Start at the edges and work your way inward. You may find that the soap and water removes the water stain altogether as well. The water and soap method may remove the stain completely if it's a small one. If that doesn't work, you will need to move on to other ingredients. Number 4. Determine the source of the leak. It's one thing if you spilled a glass of water on the carpet. Then, you know exactly where the leak came from. It's another thing if it came from an external source, like a leaking pipe. Carpet that gets repeatedly wet can mildew and smell. Identify the source of the stain, and take steps to make sure it doesn't reoccur. If it's a plumbing issue, you'll want to take care of it so the carpet doesn't suffer further damage. You may need to call a professional to help you fix the problem if, for example, your basement is overflowing. You might have roots in your pipes, for example. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Using vinegar and water to remove the stain. Number 1. Use vinegar and water to remove the stain. After using dish soap and water to remove dirt or sediment, if the water stain remains, you can try using vinegar and water as the mixture instead. Make sure that you use white vinegar. You could use 1/4 teaspoon, 1.2 milliliters, of white vinegar for every 4 cups, 950 milliliters of water. You don't need much vinegar. Take a clean cloth, dab it into the mixture, and then apply the solution on the water-stained area of the carpet. You could also use a handheld sprayer to apply the mixture to the carpet. Again, you should press lightly onto the carpet. It's the pH in the vinegar that helps remove the water stain from the carpet. Number 2. Let the carpet dry. You won't see the full effects of your efforts until the carpet is fully dry. You'll want to back off, and let it do so naturally. As the carpet dries, you should see the water stain gradually disappear. You may want to repeat the process if it's vanished somewhat but not completely. You shouldn't apply heat to the carpet. Just make sure no one walks on it in that area until it dries naturally. If the stain is a tough one or more deeply ingrained, you may need to leave the vinegar and water mixture on the stain for a few minutes before rubbing it away. Place 1 teaspoon, 4g, of baking soda on the stain when it's close to dry. The baking soda will help dry out and deodorize the fabric. Number 3. Use a steam iron. After you're done with using the water and vinegar mixture, try using a steam iron to remove the stain faster. Put a towel over the carpet on top of the water stain. Don't apply the iron directly to the carpet or you could burn the carpet. Now, put the steam iron on low on the steaming function. This will direct hot steam toward the stain. Put the iron on the towel for a few minutes, and press gently onto the towel. Then, remove the iron. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Cleaning the carpet with chemicals. Number 1. Call professional carpet cleaners. If the water damage is severe, for example if a pipe burst in your basement or it flooded or something like that, you may need to call professional carpet cleaners. Professionals have devices to suck up water from carpet. They can also steam clean carpet to get out stubborn stains. You may end up having to replace the carpet if the water damage is too severe or the carpet may give off a musty smell. If you have carpet from natural fibers, it might be a good idea to call a professional cleaning service because such carpets can be difficult to clean on your own. Number 2. Rent or buy a steam cleaner. At most home improvement stores, and even some grocery stores, you can rent steam cleaners. You could also purchase a steam cleaner at most home improvement stores. These are basically vacuum cleaners that apply a cleaning and water mixture to the carpet to clean it. In addition to water stains, steam cleaners do a good job of lifting up other stubborn stains and can make your carpet almost look new. The cost of renting these is probably between $30 to $50, depending on where you are located, and most stores that rent steam cleaners also have cleaning solution you can buy as well. You could also try a water/dry vacuum. These are special vacuums designed to suck up water. Number 3. Try ammonia and hot water. For more stubborn stains, and stains with color in them, such as Kool-Aid, you may need to turn to ammonia. Fill an empty spray bottle with 1 part ammonia and 1 part hot water. Then, spray the concoction on the stain. Put a clean white towel or cloth on top of the stain, and rub gently at the water stain area with the cloth. You may need to repeat this process several times until the stain is gone. Try the detergent and water or vinegar and water methods first. Number 4. Try carpet cleaner from the store. You can buy carpet cleaner at most grocery stores in spray bottles. You could use the cleaner on the water stain. Some carpet cleaners are designed to remove pet stains, like dog urine, from carpet. However, they will also work on water stains. You could try the homemade method of water and vinegar before you apply chemicals to the stain, though. Move on to using chemicals when more natural procedures fail due to hardier stains. As with the other methods, make sure you let the carpet dry naturally before people walk on it or use the area. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. For natural fiber carpets, such as wool or cotton, the vinegar and water solution may draw out some of the natural dyes in the carpet. In this case, you may wish to contact a professional carpet cleaner. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.